Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording. It is because I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got the reset option, so let's tap, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because it will simply reset all settings to their defaults. So let's tap on confirm, and as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because we've got the privacy statement which appears if you're opening the camera for the very first time. So just tap on agree here, and as you can see, we do not have the grid lines option applied, which means that the settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.